Ciao. Anyway, so
Hello everyone, second day. So my evening meditation, which I start my day in the evening because the first day I started at the evening. So evening, morning, this is one day. Evening, morning, another day. So my evening meditation wasn't like perfect. I'll not say perfect, but like the concentration on the meditation itself was a little bit harder than this morning. It was still hard to focus. I was in a really good mood actually, but my brain began to go all over the place again. But this morning was like way successful than yesterday and my other two meditation I did the day before. So I guess I begin to be like more into it, like having more focus on the meditation itself. But I had one extra meditation yesterday when I was listening to or watching Sadhguru, the inner engineering program, and after the first video, the first session, he had like a very small meditation. It was amazing. It was really short actually, but somehow I felt so pleasant inside. I began to have like the tears coming from my eyes from like blissfulness and joy. So overall, for the second day, I still feel perfect and amazing. So let's continue.